because I'm a liability when it comes to cooking in the kitchen. But tonight we are, or Chin Chin guy is gonna make a traditional Croatian dish, Octopus Peka, modified of course. Stay tuned. So peka is a traditional dish that is made in Dalmatia, Croatia. We've had a few really wonderful examples from the island of Vis. A lot of potatoes, vegetables, olive oil, onions, all that kind of stuff. Cooked under a ceramic bell over an open fire. We've had one with fish, with lamb, with octopus. So we're gonna try to do our little homemade version. My job is to make the base, the potatoes, to slice them up. We got the octopus. Got the base, potato, tomato, carrot, and some capsicum. Yum. A little olive oil, a little bit of water, a couple deciliters of red wine, salt. It tastes meaty.
Not too much.
So onion. Chin Chin guide says we should use some olives, but we don't have anything green, so we got some asparagus going on. I guess it's a modified peka recipe. And finally, some little garlic. Yay. And finally, the octopus. Put that baby in. Put it in. Put it in. It's cleaned already for us. Yay. We don't have a ceramic bell, but I guess the glass top will have to work.
Well, now it's 220, but we will put it a little bit lower, 208.
How's it coming along, do you think?
Good.
The aromas are starting to develop. It looks like another hour and the peka will be done. Who's excited? I'm excited. What? We have two hungry people there, just looking at the stove. Check number 2. Oh, it's boiling. Does that look good?
Oh my god! Eat me, eat me, eat me!
Check 1, 2, 3. It's not finished. We're just checking. What does Chin Chin guide think?
Looks good.
This too.
Just mixing things up to get the juices nice.
Good job.
We all say good job. Chin Chin guide is checking again. We had to modify, take the bell off, put some foil on so some moisture would evaporate. What do you think?
Good job.
I'm trying to evaporate some of the juice. Boil that water off. Tasting some of the peka juice. Good job. Good job. Look at that. Is it any closer to being done?
Yes, very close.
The wines for the evening to pair. The Domaine Le Cailloux, André Brunel, Côtes, Rhône, Marco Felluga, the Collio, the Molamatta, Collio, Bianco, Reserva, and the La Bastide, Saint Dominique, Châteauneuf-du-Pape. And it's finished. Shireen, what do you think?
Oh my god! I want to eat it, I want to lick it.
It's so soft.
Soft? You like how good that looks?
Yes.
Hey, what is the empty bottle of the Châteauneuf-du-Pape?
Ooh.
No, seriously. I like that it's still quite soft. Perfectly cooked. It's so salty.
I think our baby peka was a success. Good job, Chin Chin Food Wine. Shireen happy? We'll see you guys in the next episode.
Oh my gosh, the potato is so good.